Okay, so I already primed my face. I did use this Mario Badescu facial spray. This is in a rose water. So next I'm going to apply foundation. I will be using this LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Foundation. This is what it looks like, and this is in a shade warm beige. There we go. So I'm going to use 1.5 pumps. I will be applying this foundation using this sponge. This is also from LA Girl. So this is a damp sponge, by the way. This foundation is actually pretty much full coverage. And there you go, as you can see. It's very dewy actually. It's very dewy finish. Then next, I'm going to apply my concealer. I'm going to use this Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in a shade C8. I'm also going to apply this on the center of my face. There you go. Then again, I'm going to use my sponge from LA Girl and blend the concealer. As I always said, I blend my concealer on my eyelids because I don't use eyelid or eyeshadow primer. So that's what I do. There you go. As you can see, my face is highlighted. Very nice. It has a really nice coverage, this concealer. There we go. Then next, I'm going to set my concealer using a powder. This is the powder. This is the Revolution Luxury Powder. This is the banana powder. I think this is a dupe for Ben Nye banana powder. I might be wrong, but it looks like they pretty much look the same. And why I can't open it? Oh my god, I can't open the powder. Oh, alright. I'm going to use my damp sponge to set the concealer. This powder is actually really good. It's really fine. The only thing with the using powder, it's just go everywhere. It's a mess. Next, I'm going to set the rest of my face. I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in a shade, I don't know. What's the shade? Soft Honey, 315 Soft Honey. As you can see, I already hit the pan on this because I used to use this all the time. There we go. Then next, I'm going to do my eyebrow off camera and I'll be back. There we go, guys. I'm done with my eyebrow. I did use this Freedom pomade, eyebrow pomade. Yeah, this is in a shade ash brown. Then let's move on to the eyes. The palette that I'm using today, actually two palettes that I'm going to use today. This is the Revolution My Sign palette. This is the Fire Sign. This is what it looks like. And I'm also going to use one shade in this palette. This is the Morphe 25B palette. So let's start by applying a transition shade. I'll be using this shade right here to warm up my crease. Oh my god, this is actually quite powdery, this palette. This is the first time I'm going to use this palette, so first impression is quite powdery, especially with this shade that I'm going to use. So we're done with transition. Let's apply some colors. Okay, so I'm going to use this shade right here and apply it on my eyelids. Okay, let's move on to the other palette that I'm going to use. This is the 25B palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. and apply it on my outer V and my crease. I like this eye makeup. Okay, next I'm going to take the same shade that I used for my outer V. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. There you go. Nice. Love it. Let's go back to my sign palette, which is the fire. I'm going to take some shimmer. I'm going to take this shade, this one right here, and apply it on my inner corner. Wow, pigmented. Oh my god, the pigmentation. Okay, I'm going to apply this one, the same shade, on my brow bone. Okay, next I'm going to apply this Zoeva eyeliner. This is in the shade karnat. So that's like cream color, and I'm going to apply it on my waterline. Next, I'm going to apply this LA Girl gel liner in a shade black. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. I will be using this Maybelline Big Shot mascara. There we go. Then next I'm going to apply my false lashes and I'll be back. There we go guys, my lashes are up. Next, let's put some contour. I will be using this Revolution contour kit, Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. This is in a shade Ultra Light Medium. So this is what it looks like. So I will be using the contour shade, this one right here. Next, for the blush, I will be using this Milani Baked Blush. This is in a shade Rose d'Oro number 2. So let's open it up. This is what the blush looks like. And I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of highlights. I will be using this Revolution Skin Kiss. This is in a shade Rose Gold Kiss. Let's open it up. There you go. This is what the highlights looks like. Love it! Next, let's put some liquid lipstick. I will be using this one right here. This is from Colourpop. This is the Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lumiere 2.